Well, good morning. Here we are on our way from Sherman, Texas, where I spent the night last night, and in a ratty old hotel. We're on our way to see, I keep saying we, but me. My wife's at home in California, and I flew in last night. I'm on my way to Cedar Hills Marina to see an Endeavour, 1985 Endeavour 38 in derelict condition, project boat. It's a little bit different than most projects where it's not really trashed due to age, even though it's a 1985. It's trashed because the owner tore out a bunch of stuff, and it needs to be fixed and replaced. So apparently the boat's solid with good bones. It's not like all rotted out. It's just torn out. So it could be a good deal, but it was worth $500 to get over here and go check it out. So anyways, I should be there in about 20-25 minutes, and I'll check in with you later when I'm at the boat.